To uninstall programs that are not listed in the control panel, begin by opening the control panel from the desktop screen and navigating to the Programs option. From there, you can attempt to uninstall a program. But for those not listed, an alternative method is required. To do so, close the control panel window and access the Start menu. Then select the Settings option from the side menu. Once the Settings window is open, click on the App option, and from the left side menu, choose App and Features. This will allow you to search for a specific app or scroll through the list to select the desired program. Note that some built-in Windows programs cannot be uninstalled, such as alarms and clocks or the installer app. However, other programs like the calculator can be uninstalled by clicking on the Uninstall option and confirming the action in the subsequent pop-up. By following these steps, you can easily uninstall programs that are not listed in the control panel.